Malé City. Is it worth your time and money? You'll get to know about that in this video. Hi, welcome to our channel. Please subscribe if you have not done it already. We will walk you through Malé City and some of the places to visit. So let's get started. Presidential Jetty is on a very busy road. It is built to mark 50th Independence Day of Maldives, which falls on 26 July. It is also called as Izzuddin Jetty. Experience the local life by going around in the local fruit and vegetable market. The place is vibrant and colorful with variety of fruits and vegetables which are mostly imported. This place is very close to Presidential Jetty. If you are from the subcontinent or from Southeast Asian countries, this place may feel familiar and not exciting. Malé fish market is very busy. Big fish like tuna are cut into slices. You will also see octopus and other small fishes. If you can bear the smell and the sight of the fish being cut, then this place may interest you. This is Chandni Magoo, the street where you can buy all the souvenirs like fridge magnets, keychains, corals, local handcrafts, coins and lot more. You should bargain here to get the right prices. We bought some fridge magnets at 20 to 30 rupiah each. Yeah. And this place is cheaper than the resorts and the airport. You will also find good restaurants here offering Indian, Thai and continental food. We really like the food here. The museum is also located in the street. We could not go there because of COVID restriction. Streets in Malé are very narrow and crowded. As it is a very small city, you can easily walk the entire city end to end in an hour. Because of the narrow streets, people mostly ride motorbikes and you can see plenty of them. If you are planning a stay in Malé, make sure you check with the hotel staff whether you will be allowed to move outside the hotel. Usually, tourists are not allowed to go out due to strict COVID regulation. This is the landmark Sinamale Bridge, which connects the islands of Male, Hulumale, and the airport. The bridge offers some nice views of the Indian Ocean and the city of Male. This bridge is built by Chinese and was originally called Friendship Bridge. As a traveler, you should visit all the places and experience the local life and culture, and hence we would suggest you spend some time here. But if you are short of time and budget, then you can easily avoid Male city. You will not be missing much.